To assemble a DeepGrove package, the tool is going to consist of 4 parts. A shank, square or round, a clamp, there's various sizes, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 millimeters, and various lengths, from 13 to 25 millimeter cutting depths. There are a number of different blades. This is the cutting blade. There are different arcs, straight, different groove widths to match. And of course, the insert that's actually going to do the cutting. To assemble the tool holder, the first piece to put on is the DeepGrove blade. There's a female slot, which we call the T-slot, on the shank, and a male slot that mates to it. That slides together. The threaded holes line up. Then using a flathead screw with a Torx wrench, run that screw in until it makes contact. Put the other screw in, run that in until it makes contact. Make sure the blade feels seated. Observe here that there's no gap. Tighten the screws. The next step is to put the clamp on. There's a slot for the fulcrum of the clamp that rides in. The button head screw goes through the clamp. It's the same wrench for all the screws. Take that down so the clamp can rock a little bit. That'll allow you to get the insert in. There's a V in the blade that matches to the V on the insert. There's a stop on the clamp that will press against the back end of the insert. So lift the clamp, slide the insert in until it contacts the back side of the clamp. Tighten down the screw until it makes good contact. Verify that the insert is in the V and that you've got the clamp installed such that the back of the insert's hitting the step in the clamp, and then finish tightening it. There should be a gap that runs along in here between the clamp and the top of the shank or the top of the blade. Make sure not to over tighten this screw and bend the finger of the clamp, because too much on the smaller blades, too much force of the screw can actually deform the blade or bend it enough that the insert will not be located properly. The cutting center line of the insert is on the top plane of the tool holder shank.